Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted messages on Instagram. If you've deleted a conversation by mistake or lost some important chats, Instagram gives you a way to get them back through its data export option. First, open Instagram and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three lines at the top right to open the menu. From there, scroll down and tap on Account Center. Inside Account Center, find and tap on your information and permissions. Now select Download your information. Next, tap on Export your information and then tap on Create Export. At this point, Instagram might ask you to log in again for security purposes, so enter your details to continue. Once logged in, select Instagram as the platform you want to export data from. Then choose Export to Device. Here, you can customize what data you want to download. Since we are recovering deleted chats, select only messages and uncheck everything else. Now choose your date range. It could be yesterday, last week, last month, or a custom range. After setting that up, tap on Start Export. Instagram will begin preparing your file, which may take a little time depending on your account data. Once the export is ready, you'll receive a notification email with a download link. Open it, download your file, and you'll be able to see your messages, including the ones you had deleted. And that's it. That's how you recover deleted Instagram messages. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more Instagram tips and tricks.